Welcome to the Fire-Boltt smartwatch unboxing. Before start unboxing, I have a quick but important disclaimer. This video is simply a first look at the product straight out of the box. I am not being paid or sponsored by the company, and I am not endorsing this product. I haven't had a chance to test it thoroughly, so this is not a review. Viewers are advised that purchasing decisions should not be based on this video. Let's unboxing now. Here's the main event, the Fire-Boltt smartwatch. The build feels surprisingly solid. This display is vibrant even off. Next, we have the magnetic charging cable. The strap feels comfortable,